Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the brightness on your Bose sound system. There's actually two different settings, low and high, and then in each setting there's 8 different increments. So on the low setting you have from 1 until 8, and then from the high setting you have 8 until 15. So the idea is then there's like a daytime setting and a nighttime setting, so a light and a dark setting. So at nighttime then you might want it lower than the factory default, because it might be brightening up the room too much. Likewise, in the daytime, you might want it higher than 10, which is the factory default. You might want it up to 15. So let me show you how to do it. You're going to press and hold the button down here on the bottom right, alarm setup. That will get you into the menu. So I'm holding that down now. And then we're going to use the tune buttons to move left and right. So move in here and you will see it says bright low and bright high. I'll do bright high to begin with because it's easier to see. And we're going to use the time buttons, which are the thumbs up and the thumbs down. We can go all the way up to 15 by going up, and all the way down to 8. So I'm going to keep it all the way up to 15 for the purpose of the video. And then I'm going to go on to the low setting by using the tune buttons, and I'm going to put that all the way down to, well, look, you can see it goes up to 8, but I can do it all the way down to 1. Let me put it to 3, so you can just barely see it. Right, so that's it. To get out of this, you just tap the alarm setup again, and you can see at the moment it's bright in here, so we're all the way up to 15. But let's put a box over it to mimic nighttime, and then when it goes dark, I'll lift up the flap on the box and you will see it gradually step up, because then it detects light in the room and it thinks it's daytime. It's been about a minute now, so it should be dark. When I lift this up, you will see you can barely see it, and it will slowly ramp up all the way to 15. You ready? There you go, you can barely see it, and bit by bit, it will start to brighten up. There we go. It's going now. And it will go all the way up to 15. I'm not touching the remote control. And that's it. And if we were to put the box back on it again, it will mimic nighttime, and it will go all the way down to setting 3, whatever we had it at before. So that's it. That's how to change the brightness on your Bose sound system. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.